What's up, guys? It's been a rider. Yeah, it's been a while since I made a video or anything. I've been doing my thing. I've still been riding. I just haven't been recording. Give you an update on the bike. Bike is fine, by the way. I just had a little crash. What's up, Cody? Yeah, I mean, I did a few numbers on this thing. I don't really record much anymore. GoPro took a shit completely, and that's not even an excuse to why I wasn't recording. I just wasn't recording just because, I don't know, I just wasn't editing videos. I just got lazy, just safe to say. But, you know, got a few things I gotta show you guys. You know, I got a little hole here in the ground, some cracks. I'm pretty sure under this hair and it's fucking cracked. This is cracked. Yeah, there's a lot of things. Swing arm, let's swing around. Fuck. Rear set bolt snapped in half while I was in there. Not too much things. Gotta start adjusting things just to make sure everything's okay. If you haven't seen the ground since I bought it, this is how it looks now. Probably gonna change this setup a little bit. I'm gonna take this off. Probably turn them sideways, make them touch each other so it looks like one LED bar instead. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna bracket these together because, you know, every time I fall or something, they get scratched up and stuff like that. Yeah, this is a complete stunt bike now. You know, rear handbrake now, RC clutch lever, handlebar risers. There's a lot of things I've done to this thing now. Went back to a stock 17 exhaust, ZZ rear set, stand-up industry bars. Send you a link to his bars. Really good price. Literally, I think, if I'm correct. If I'm wrong, I'll put it somewhere up there. But if I'm correct, I think the price of the bar he sent is $180. Cheapest in the market, guys. I mean, you guys can't go wrong with it. I would recommend it. Yeah, so pretty much, yeah, I learned how to scrape and everything, and decided to put one on video. And
hell yeah!
You know, as you saw earlier, I fucked that up. I need to get this thing's powder coated again. Got a lot of work to do in this thing. I'm gonna take this thing apart. So as I'm taking it apart, you know, I'm gonna give you guys a little show. As you can see right here, the exhaust is fucking loose as fuck. Over time, the bolt got loose and stuff like that. Gotta make this ground look pretty again. Added a idle adjuster too. That comes in handy a lot for circles. I learned how to do circles, kind of. Still practicing on that. As you see, I also powder coated my rims red. It looks like shit though. Yeah, I've come a long way in progress, guys. I mean, last thing you guys saw me, I can barely do a wheelie. Now I'm just fucking wheelies ain't the thing no more. It's you gotta do better than a wheelie now these days. Got this. Taking this off, like I said, I'm gonna figure out this new light setup. I'm gonna try something else. Just make it more stable. I mean, it looks like shit. I'm gonna start taking off these lights. I'm gonna take off one of them. Do some of that a little bit. Oh, and there she goes. So right here, this is how it look like. This is like an idea of it. I'm not done with it. I gotta buy zip ties, but this is generally the idea of it. Yeah. It makes it more stable, so you want to go on wheelies and I come down. Second, I gotta lower down the lights because that shit was blinding me in mid wheelies. So when you don't stand up, that thing like hits you right in the eyeballs. So I'm planning to wrap the forks, but not the wrap you want to see. I'm gonna do it ghetto. I'm gonna use red duct tape that, you know, I bought at Walmart for $3. Just wrap it around, you know, maybe stop it right here at each point, maybe. I'll figure something out, but, you know, we'll see what happens. Alright, yeah, here goes one fork right here. Pretty simple for that one. I mean, not simple, but yeah, it does leave creases, but I mean, It is a pretty cheap. It's just this fucking red tape. That's all it is, man. See all the creases and stuff like that, but I mean, they're not bad creases. Cody, you wanna go on the couch? Get on the couch. Get out up there. You know that. You already ate half my fucking couch, but I mean, you're still a good doggo. As you can see now, it's mounted up. All zip ties, baby. Doesn't look bad. I mean, I guess it's a stunt bike. It's not meant to be pretty. Just trying to make it look a little better, more efficient, more stabilized. Every time I want to come down from a wheelie, these things will start looking downwards or cross at it when it did look like eyeballs. So far I'm happy with the way it looks. So yeah, I'm done doing some things. Sorry, you know, that's like a little update video. I wasn't gonna really do much. I ended up doing a lot, just didn't put it on camera, but you know, I adjusted the forks, make sure those are fine. As you saw, the exhaust was fucking loose, fixed that. Rear set I still gotta fix. Still don't have a bolt there, the bolt's stuck in there. Who needs a foot brake tonight? I'm gonna go practice. I got a handbrake. Need to figure out, you know, I'm fine with this, but probably get a fucking mallet and just start slamming a bitch in the ground or something. Yeah, I mean, another thing is the grom runs good. I wouldn't even say that's the real mileage because I'm running 1336, just 2 down and 2 up. It's like I say, it's running pretty well. Turns right out, and no engine shakes or nothing. Alright guys, peace out, subscribe, like, you know the bullshit.